We have different streamlined options to quickly activate your patients in Blue Sky Monitoring. If you're planning Blue Sky plan cases, then on the export screen, activate the checkbox for activate remote monitoring for this patient, and your data will automatically be transferred to Blue Sky Monitoring, and a dialog box with some different options will open directly on the screen. If you're not manufacturing aligners in-house and you're outsourcing the aligner manufacturing, then when you place your order on Lab Pronto by going to Orthodontics Aligners, during the prescription form process, you'll have a checkbox, activate blueskymonitoring.com upon case completion, free. So go ahead and check this checkbox. Both of these techniques will automatically transfer the treatment planning files from the digital treatment plan to the Blue Sky monitoring platform. Additionally, if you're using a different system, then you could click the Add Patient option here to create the schedule for the scan requests and reminders. This is a bit less ideal as the digital treatment plan will not automatically be transferred. If you are already mid-treatment with your aligner patient and you would like to start using Blue Sky monitoring for that patient, then simply go ahead and set up the patient and the schedule as you would for a new patient. Once that is done, scroll through the schedule to get to the current aligner number that the patient is wearing. So for example, if the patient currently has aligner 7 in their mouth, and the next change is going to be changing aligner 7 to aligner 8, then find that change in the schedule, click on the edit option, and modify the expected date which the patient is going to be switching from aligner 7 to aligner 8. So I'm going to click on the date, and let's say the switch date is expected to be in a few days from now. So let's go to June, today is the 9th, let's choose the 11th, and then click the Save option. The system will now ask you if you would like to change the date only for this aligner change, or if you would like to change this date and update treatment, which will change all the following dates as well. So go ahead and click on Change this date and update treatment. And we can see that the system has now updated automatically. The change date from aligner 7 to aligner 8 is set for the 11th, and all the following dates have been updated automatically.